give it up for Miss Marge Avizo!
All influencers, founders, community leaders in one room. Nakakasama ko lang kayo sa speaking events. Grabe! And hopefully, dito ang first and last ha. We're going to do this quarterly ng founders, you know, sharing ideas and really collaborating and having, you know, pictures in one room. So, yeah, thank you and welcome. Salamat, salamat. Please,